Whether you are trying to defend yourself or merely interested in finding out about some unique defensive items, here is a list of 10 legal defense tools which can be bought from Amazon without a license in most places. This list comprises of some powerful lights as well as other defensive tools that are useful in increasing your own preparedness and safety levels. Stay tuned to know more about these tools. Number 1. Oberon Alpha ZEUS. Oberon Alpha ZEUS is a multifunctional electroshock weapon used both for personal protection and professionally. This product is a two-purpose one because it may be applied as a stun weapon at close distance, or may be activated as a remote device utilizing special cartridges. Special cartridges allow launching wired probes, which may give the electric shock from the distance of up to 5 meters, thus providing the additional distance between the operator and potential threat. There are special flashbang cartridges available, which produce the effect of a bright light and loud noise in order to disorient an opponent. With a powerful transformer, Oberon Alpha ZEUS allows shocking the person who is wearing heavy winter jackets or leather clothes. For people with different sizes of hands, Oberon Alpha ZEUS is available in 3 versions: small, ZEUS S, 305mm, medium, ZEUS M, 355mm, and large, ZEUS L, 405mm. Number 2. Lancer Air HYDRA M4. HYDRA M4. Lancer Air is an air rifle that uses the CO2 gas system for operation and is designed in a tactical style with great shooting performance. It operates on the basis of 2 standard 12-gram CO 2 cylinders placed in the magazine, and shoots 4.5mm steel BB bullets at a speed ranging from 400 to 430 feet per second. Its unique characteristic lies in the capability of rapid shooting of 1,400 rounds per minute in full auto mode with the help of the selector switch, which also enables users to easily change between semi-automatic and fully automatic modes. Its dropout magazine has 28 rounds and enables fast reloading during the practice. 6-position adjustable PDW stock and full-length Picatinny rail ensure the comfortability of shooting with the use of the rear adjustable and flip-up front iron sights. Number 3. Paradigm Tactical PTX. The Paradigm Tactical PTX is a premium high-pressure air launcher engineered for precision, reliability, and advanced performance. It features a proprietary closed-bolt, semi-automatic operating system with anti-chop technology and a sirless, pneumatically actuated trigger capable of firing up to 6 rounds per second. The PTX delivers 20 joules of kinetic energy in its standard configuration and can be upgraded with Paradigm's optional volumizer kit to produce up to 60 joules. Powered by an integrated 13 cubic inch, 3,000 pound per square inch HPA tank, it provides around 120 consistent shots at approximately 350 feet per second. The launcher is capable of maintaining tight 8-inch shot groups at distances up to 100 yards. Built in the USA, it combines a billet 606 1-T6 aluminum upper, a glass-reinforced nylon lower, M-LOK accessory slots, and transparent 15 or 18 round magazines for dependable performance and versatile projectile compatibility. Number 4. Streetwise Barbarian. The Streetwise Barbarian 19-inch stun gun baton is a sturdy weapon that boasts of both distance and robustness, and is also equipped with various safety features. It has dimensions of 19.25 inches long, and is made up of shock-proof and military-grade aluminum alloy and steel, with a reinforced spiked head that provides extra gripping. It generates electrical power of 9 million volts and utilizes triple stun technology, which utilizes 3 contact points to produce larger electrical arcs in order to ensure consistent contact. It also has a built-in Cree LED flashlight with 3 light modes such as 100%, 50%, and the emergency strobe. In order to minimize the chances of accidental activation, the weapon has been designed with a 3-level safety mechanism, which incorporates separate controls for power, modes, and activations. Number 5. PepperBall PPC. PepperBall PPC Patrol Carbine is a lightweight magazine-fed launcher that was engineered for less lethal security and law enforcement purposes. This launcher shoots both round and extended range VXR projectiles and has the effective engagement range of 150 feet. It can be powered by either refillable 13 cubic inch HPA, high pressure air, or 88 gram CO, 2 cartridge, providing flexibility in the process of its operation. Detachable 10-round magazine of the launcher enables fast loading and continuous usage. It features a free-floating M-LOK handguard, which allows easily mounting various accessories like lights, grips, or sights. Moreover, it is capable of shooting different kinds of projectiles, including standard impact rounds and glass-breaking rounds. Lightweight design and modular construction make the PepperBall PPC a reliable tool for professional, less lethal purposes. Number 6. Umarex T4 ETR50 Carbine Kit. The Umarex T4 ETR50 Carbine Kit enhances the handling capabilities of the T4 ETR50 revolver by making it a more sturdy and ergonomic carbine platform. Made of high-density polymer that is resistant to impact and durable, the kit weighs only 525 grams and is 500 millimeters long when collapsed and 685 millimeters when fully extended. Featuring a collapsible stock for easy deployment and additional shoulder support and enhanced shooting capabilities, the kit includes a 40 centimeter long Picatinny top rail for mounting of sights and other accessories, as well as M-LOK slots at the bottom and sides for attaching tactical accessories. The kit features 3 QD slings and can be easily installed on the revolver without making any changes to the original one. Number 7. Bentac T9. The Bentac T9 is a small platform utilizing the PCP air power, which is designed for shooters who seek high efficiency in a lightweight device. It has a chamber of either .35, .357, or 9mm caliber, featuring a semi-automatic blowback mechanism that automatically rotates an 8-round clip to provide the fastest reloading process. The performance of the gun depends upon its adjustment and ammunition, but it is known to provide muzzle energy within the range of 100 to 135 joules, along with velocities reaching up to 740 to 752 feet per second, with 78 to 82 grains projectiles. The 250 cubic centimeters dual air tanks of this platform, with hot swappable 125 cubic centimeter front reservoir, can be charged up to 310 bar, 4,500 pounds per square inch, through a conventional Foster valve. This platform has a barrel length of 8 inches, and when folded, its total length is 16 inches, and with extended stock, it reaches 29.5 inches. Number 8. Piexon JPX Gen2. The Piexon JPX Gen2 is a small handheld pepper spray launcher aimed at improving the ergonomics and reliability of the weapon. The launcher has a smooth double-action-only trigger from JPX4 design, and comes with a large handle constructed from a composite of metal and polymer to ensure optimal handling. Depending on the variant, the device comes either with or without built-in LED laser sight to help aim at the target. The launcher is backwards compatible with original Gen 1 2-shot magazines, meaning that existing accessories can be reused. It uses a patent pyropropulsion mechanism, which works similarly to the one used in the airbags. Unlike the aerosol, it launches the liquid OC irritant without the need of using the pressurized canisters. The launching speed can reach up to 590 feet per second, with an effective distance of 23 feet, 7 meters. Every slide-on magazine holds 2 separately fired charges, which automatically index after each trigger pull. Number 9. Cold Steel Brooklyn N Smasher. The Cold Steel Brooklyn Smasher is a durable 34-inch practice bat that promises years of effective use. Constructed using high-quality, impact-resistant polypropylene that is precision injection molded, the Cold Steel Brooklyn Smasher is designed to withstand abuse, extreme weather conditions, and never crack, splinter, rot, or fade. As opposed to regular wooden bats, the Brooklyn Smasher needs very little maintenance and can be easily washed using soap and water. The 2.19-inch in diameter bat ensures that you have a good balance while practicing batting. Due to its sturdy nature, the Cold Steel Brooklyn Smasher bat has also found favor among individuals interested in self-defense training, provided it is allowed. More importantly, since it weighs more than a normal practice bat, it is guaranteed to withstand impacts without any damage. Since it is also priced relatively cheaply at around $32.99, the Cold Steel Brooklyn Smasher makes excellent value for money. Thanks for tuning in. What is the most surprising device for self-defense at home that you have seen in the video? Just remember that nothing can be safer than being a responsible owner and having the necessary training, along with understanding the laws in your area. If you liked this video, please press like, subscribe, and enable notifications.